Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you some different ways that you're able to actually select word or words within your Microsoft Word document. So we're going to go and start with the first way, which is to double click. So if you come over to a word that you want to highlight, so say it's the word this, and I double click it, you can see that it goes ahead and highlights it for me. Then I can make changes to this word. Maybe I want to bolden it, italicize it, change the size. I could do whatever I need to do there. Now, in the eyes of Word, this is a very small paragraph, but Word considers this a paragraph. If I triple click it, it should select this entire paragraph section. So you can see now we have this entire paragraph section selected and I can make changes to it. Next up, we have the click and drag. So you can actually hold the left click on your mouse and then you can kind of drag your sentence just like this. Next up, we have the shift plus arrows. So if I go back, bring my cursor here to the first word, I hold shift on my keyboard, and then I move my arrow to the right. You can see I can select individual letters, just like that. Now, if I go all the way back, bring my cursor all the way back, and I hold control and shift at the same time, and move my arrow to the right, I can select entire words. Now, if I want to select specific sections within each of these sentences, but maybe I don't want to select the whole thing, I just want maybe the first word of each of these sentences, you can do that using control. So if I do like this, so you hold control and then you select the section of the sentences that you want to pick out, and you can see right now I have the first word of each of these sentences. So they've all been selected. Now that I have them all selected, I can make a change to them. So maybe I want to make the first word of each of these sentences red. You can see I was able to do that so that I didn't have to go through each one of these. I was just able to highlight all of them. So a good use case for that is maybe you have a word or multiple words within your document that you want to bolden or italicize. Rather than having to do them individually, you can just highlight all of the ones that you want to bolden and then make those changes, go through all the ones you want to italicize and make those changes. So those are some of the different ways that you can grab and select different words within your Word document.